Hello, I'm Jordan Guth. Some of you may recognize my voice from the SoundStage Audiophile podcast, where I'm the host for Season 2. I'm also part of our global video crew. Now, I'm here to tell you what's new on the SoundStage network for October 15th. Before we get to what's new, I want to let you know that we've extended the draw for the MartinLogan Foundation B2 speakers into the end of this month. At the end of this video, I'll tell you more about how to enter. Over on SoundStage Australia, reviewer Tom Waters tackles the extensive digital features that the new Weiss Helios flagship digital analog converter offers. In fact, Tom thought so highly of the Helios that he ended up buying the review sample. Plus, analog specialist Mark Busby reviews the Model A cartridge from Titanic Audio, a relatively young and promising Irish company. On SoundStage Global, we have extensive coverage by Jonathan Gorse of UK Hi-Fi Show Live 2023, which was held from September 29th to October 1st at Ascot Racecourse in Berkshire, England. In 3 reports from Ascot, Jonathan outlines the new product launches, informative presentations, and world-class audio systems he got to experience at this great event. And check back later this month to read about Jonathan's visit to analog specialist Verter Acoustics in London, England. Also coming later this month is our coverage of Audio Video Show 2023 to be held in Warsaw, Poland from October 27th to 29th. On SoundStage Ultra, Hans Wetzel reviews Vivid Audio's stunning Gia G3 Series 2 loudspeaker. This is a loudspeaker that does everything well, Hans writes. From macro dynamics to microdynamics, transparency to the source, you name it. It's also impossibly fast, with exceptional holographic stereo imaging. In his For the Record column, senior editor Jason Thorpe writes about a visit to his home by his Chicago-based DJ and some big changes to his analog rig. On SoundStage Access, Tom Moon reviews Pro-Ject Audio Systems Tuner Box S2. This tiny FM tuner would be a good fit in a small urban living space that cannot accommodate typical full-size audio gear, Tom concludes. In his monthly unboxing feature, senior editor Dennis Berger gives some clues as to what to expect from his upcoming review of the McIntosh Laboratories' massive MHT300 AV receiver. Over on SoundStage Hi-Fi, we have a review by Phil Gold of Musical Fidelity's new Vista 800.2 integrated amplifier, which combines a unique preamp section that uses new Vista triodes with a solid-state power amp section that claims to deliver 330 watts per channel into 8 ohms. This powerhouse of an amplifier will particularly appeal if you prefer a forward presentation and a touch of warmth of tubes without the fragility and short lifespan normally associated with them, Phil concludes. Also, Musical Fidelity's M6X digital analog converter, which Phil Gold reviewed on SoundStage Hi-Fi in July, has now been named a recommended reference component. On SoundStage Simplify, Roger Cano reviews Bluesound Node X streaming DAC preamp. Released to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the Bluesound brand, this limited edition version of the popular Node streamer features an upgraded DAC section as well as an enhanced headphone output with THX's achromatic audio amplifier circuitry. On SoundStage Experience, senior editor Joseph Taylor reviews vinyl reissues of 2 REM albums, Reveal, which was initially released in 2001, and Accelerate from 2008. On SoundStage Solo, senior editor Jeffrey Morrison reviews Bowers & Wilkins PX7 S2E noise-canceling headphones. I like a little bit of extra bass in my headphones, Jeffrey writes. If, like me, you enjoy some extra kick, the PX7s will do nicely. Now, on for the MartinLogan giveaway. The company is providing one lucky individual with a pair of just-released Motion Foundation B2 bookshelf speakers, which are valued at $799 in the United States. To enter into the draw, you must live in the US or Canada and be signed up to our newsletter. You could go to our newsletter sign-up page by typing www.soundstagen.com into your browser, or by going to any one of our sites and clicking on the newsletter tab. We'll be accepting entries all the way up until October 31st. Thank you for watching and see you on November 1st.